without using a calculator, write the following in the exact form. So we've got sine squared of 240, cosec squared of 225, and sec squared of minus 225 degrees. Okay, so taking the first one, we've got sine squared is of 240 degrees. So what we need to do is find where 240 is on this. This tells us where each trig ratio is positive. So South American Tennis Club is the way that I remember it, or South Asian Tennis Clubs. This is all sine only, tan only, and cos only. So 240 is this angle here. What is the acute angle here? We can get that by doing 240 minus 180, which is going to give 60 degrees. But we notice that sine in this quadrant is negative. So this is equal to sine of 240 all squared. And this is how you must think of sine squared of 240. Brackets of sine 240 degrees all squared. So that means now it's minus 60, and that all needs to go to bracket squared. The sine of 60 is minus root 3 over 2. Well, sorry, root 3 over 2, but we want minus sine 60 as root 3 over 2 squared, which gives me root 3 minus root 3 squared gives me 3 over 4. So that's 3/4. B. Cosec squared of 225 degrees is going to be what? Cosec is 1 over sine, so it's going to be 1 over sine of 225 degrees, all squared. Notice how I've written it now. South Asian Tennis Club, 225 is going to be here again in the third quadrant. Sine is negative, so this is going to be equivalent to 45. That's 225 minus 180. So this is negative, so I need to do 1 over, in my brackets, minus sine 45 degrees all squared. Now sine of 45 is 1 over root 2, so it's going to be 1 over, in brackets, minus 1 over root 2 all squared. Carrying on, we're going to get 1 over minus 1 over root 2 squared, so that's from the previous page. Squaring this, we're going to get 1 over 1, root 2 squared is 2, 1 divided by half is 2. In the final case, we've got sec squared of minus 225 degrees. So that's going to be 1 over cos of minus 225 degrees, all squared. Notice it's in brackets. Got our South Asian Tennis Club. Now, angles which are negative go this way round the circle. So my angle here, minus 225, is here. We need to find this angle here. So that's going to be 45 degrees, which is going to be 225 minus 180 will give 45 for that one there. Notice it's that cosine is negative in the second quadrant, so it's going to become 1 over minus cos 45 all squared, which is going to be 1 over minus 1 over root 2 all squared. So that again, it's going to be 1 over a half, which again gives me 2. So this has been a video to show you how to find exact form of trig ratios which have been squared. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.